Okay, Mr. Three-Wood Bike here, and I'm working on my steam engine project still, but I need some muscle to get this last piece off. So by the meantime, I thought I'd start my next project. I want to make a 2-cycle hit-and-miss engine out of this old weed eater, but first I need to get this weed eater running correctly. To do that, it starts up, and it fires, and it will actually get going for a while, but then it obviously is running out of fuel. So my pipes, I don't know. Tell me what to check. I don't think my pipes are clogged. And I don't know. I hate carburetors. I love them, but I hate them. I absolutely despise fuel injection, but I can't. Carburetors are my mortal enemies. So let me set this down. And you watch the engine now. I'm pouring gasoline straight into the cylinder to just show you what it does. This is how I got it started before. Just a little bit. We don't want to blow ourselves up now, do we? Then I have my seat straight in the cylinder. I gotta make sure I put the spark plug on. Let me see which one it was. Oh, wait, it's the one on my wrench. Okay. So anyway, then you're just gonna tighten that down a little bit. So now what I'm gonna do, put the spark cap back on, is I'm going to move it out here. Oop, that wasn't good. I've never had that fall out before. Wonder where that goes. Oh well, it can't be too important. I'll put it back in later. I think it's something about holding the air filter. So let me set down my camera. Use my nice pink bucket here for you guys to watch. Hopefully you can see this. Choke, I forgot choke. Choke is now on. No clutch on this engine, by the way. I heard it fire. Turn it to half choke. And then it dies. And usually if I crank it a little more, and that's all I'm going to get out of it. So obviously fuel is not getting somewhere. I mean, I can pump the bulb. And by the way, this is a Weed Eater Featherlight FL25. And then turn it back to half choke or full choke. And it just won't crank for me. So, yeah, we're right at the 5-minute mark. I'll prove to you that it will do it again if I have enough time. Pop off the spark plug cap, put that in there. There we go. That's never happened before. My spark plug's stuck in the wrench. Let me get my gas. I'm going to need 2 hands for this, so let me put my camera over here. A little more gas.